Hi everyone, I'm Natalie Z at the Blue Lotus Sanctuary. I want to show you a quick healing technique that's been getting quite a bit of airtime for myself and my family just in the last few weeks. It's something that's a derivative of something I've done in the past, and it's simple and it's easy, and it really works to bring you back into emotional balance when you have overwhelming emotions coming up or something going on in your body that you can't deal with. And you might be in a situation where you have to. So this is a simple NLP technique. Sorry if I'm looking in the weird wrong places with this video. I can never figure out where to look when I'm videoing myself. So this is a technique that is often called brain integration. And when someone explained it to me really fully just recently, I understood exactly how powerful it is. So imagine that your brain is a computer, as it is, and imagine like a record that some of our stuff gets stuck in a certain groove, like a record. It's almost like there's a little scratch on the record and the little needle just keeps jumping into that groove. And this is often what our brain does when it's trying to help support us and tell us when there's danger or issues based on the stuff we've experienced in the past. And we kind of get stuck in these little grooves. Often they are grooves of negative thinking, negative emotions. At least the negative thinking brings up the emotion that is stuck in the body from past experiences again, and we just keep going round and round in that same groove. So this little NLP technique, when you're actually feeling and experiencing the emotion, the discomfort, whatever it is, when you're feeling it, if you do this little eye thingy, which we're going to do in a minute, what it does is it's kind of like it's taking that groove and it's evening it out. You could say it's taking the negativity that you're experiencing or the emotion that's overwhelming, and instead of having it go deep into one groove, it's kind of evening it out, spreading it, if you like butter throughout your brain, so that you don't get stuck in that one groove. And believe me, it works. It's like you come out after doing it, even for 90 seconds, and you go, huh? What was that sin about? Huh? I can't even remember. And it's gone. Okay, if there's a big issue, sometimes there are many portions of it, many layers, many sides, many angles, and you might have to do it a little bit. So I've had the experience of something really powerful come up, and using this technique, shifting it in one little session, kind of 90 seconds. I've also had the experience of, oh fuck, this is a deep groove and I've got to do it repetitively, excuse the language, several times to get the same result. Okay, so imagine that I am you and you're doing this to me, or vice versa, I guess. So when you feel all that emotion, what you do basically, I'm going to turn this way because no, I'm not going to turn this way. I don't know where I want to be. You're putting it outside here. Imagine it's got a face even, so it might be a person or a situation. So you're projecting the feeling, the energy, the thoughts, and all your emotions of that onto your fingers. I can pretend I'm doing it for someone else. And we're actually just tracking a figure 8 infinity, but you want to keep your head still. The idea is that your eyes come up, around slowly, up through the center and over without moving your head, and up and over. Now you can be ideally projecting your emotions out onto your fingers, and just nice and slowly. Doesn't have to be fast, it just has to be the eyes crossing over and going right round and up. And this is evening out the brain, you see. It's like this is, maybe our groove is here, we go and get stuck, and now we're like going evening it all out. Now, ouch, oh sorry, I just knelt on a cord, it hurt. After about 90 seconds of doing the technique, that did hurt, snap yourself out, something like, oh, did I smell popcorn? Oh, where's the dog? Oh, I need to pee. Just a little break in the mind so that you flick out of what you were doing and come back. And then when you come back, feel, what was I doing? Or what emotion was I looking at? Or what was I clearing? Or what happened? And just see how you feel. If you still feel it, you can do a little scale. How much of this emotion do I feel on a scale of 1 to 10 before doing the exercise and after, and judge do it again. Get it down to 0. See how you go. I'd love to hear your comments. I think it's just called NLP brainy integration-y thingy. That's what I'm calling it. But it's a fantastic technique. If you're stuck in the emotion, you can't shift it, you don't want to go down any further, do the I thing. Just do it slowly. 90 seconds. Snap yourself out of it. Do something else. Try and feel it. Try and get it back. Hopefully you fucking can't. High five, guys. Bye for now. Natalie Z at the Blue Lotus Sanctuary. Have a great day.